A beautiful decoration with a vase and submerged silver baubles. It takes your breath away. And preparing it is an extraordinary adventure with a magical end result. To create the decoration, use various silver baubles, but first, fill them with water. If you don't do this, you won't achieve the expected result. Styrofoam baubles won't work either because they will float on the surface. Pour a few hydrogel beads onto the bottom of the vase. Remember that you need to prepare them in advance. They should be in the water for about 8 hours to reach the desired size. Place silver baubles on top of them. Gradually add more beads and arrange additional baubles in different places. You can also use openwork baubles. They will look beautiful in the vase. Gradually pour in the water when the vase is almost full. Your eyes will see the ornaments you placed in it one after another. When you see the whole effect, you can always make some adjustments. You can freely move the decorations in the hydrogel. Finally, place 3 floating candles on the surface of the beads, and you're done. Such a decoration will delight all guests. It looks beautiful. Use golden baubles. Arrange the first bauble on the layer of beads and add another layer of beads. Gradually place additional baubles in different locations. It's good if they come in different sizes. When the vase is full, start pouring water into it slowly. Now the magic begins. Baubles that were not visible just moments ago between the beads will start to appear. Such a vase will be an incredibly beautiful decoration for any festive table. The submerged baubles in the water create an amazing effect that is impossible to look away from. You can make such a beautiful vase with submerged flowers yourself. This decoration looks like something from the top shelf. To create it, you'll need hydrogel beads and artificial poinsettia flowers, also known as Christmas stars. You can also use artificial holly and red pine cones or dried flowers in shades of red. Pour hydrogel beads onto the bottom of the vase. Arrange the first flower in them and add more beads. When there are more beads, place additional ornaments, artificial holly, and dried flowers in them. Continuously add beads, gradually. Submerge another poinsettia flower in them. When the vase is almost full, start pouring water in slowly. The full beauty of your creation will be revealed before your eyes. Place 3 floating candles on top, and you're done. A beautiful decoration is finished, an ornament that will enchant every child, big and small. To achieve the best effect, use various decorations: a plastic house, Christmas trees, and figures. Place the house, Christmas trees, and children figures at the bottom of the container. Gently cover them with hydrogel beads. Once you've covered them, arrange a layer of beads with Santa Claus and reindeer. Add another layer of beads. Finally, take a pitcher of water and slowly start pouring it into the vase. An extraordinary picture will begin to emerge before your eyes. Gradually, all the details will come into view. First, the house. Children and Christmas trees will appear. As you pour the water, suddenly Santa Claus on his sleigh will appear, suspended as if in the air above the house. It's almost hard to believe that the trick with hydrogel beads allows you to create such a beautiful, magical scene. Gigantic decoration for Christmas. It beautifully adorns the entrance of the house, terrace, or living room. All you need is ordinary cardboard and Christmas chains. For wrapping the Christmas gift, you will also need ribbon, preferably as wide as possible. I have silver chains and red ribbon. I wrapped the cardboard with stretch film because I want to be able to place this Christmas gift in front of the entrance to the house. This way, rain and snow won't dampen the cardboard and won't damage the Christmas decoration. Use hot glue to attach the beginning of the chain at the corner of the cardboard and wrap the cardboard from all 4 sides. Periodically, glue the chain to the foil. When the first chain runs out, take another one and continue the process. I have quite thick and dense chains, so wrapping the Christmas gift is quick. When all 4 sides are wrapped except for the bottom and top, start gluing the chain on top of the Christmas gift. We won't cover the bottom part because it will stand on the ground. On the top part of the Christmas gift, glue the chain next to each other. When you finish, the Christmas gift will be almost ready. Now, just take the ribbon and wrap it around the Christmas gift. Tie a bow in the middle of the Christmas gift. It's easiest to tie a large bow on your feet. Simply wrap the feet with ribbon twice and then tie the bow in the middle. And it's done. You can place such a Christmas gift at home by the fireplace, Christmas tree, or outside as a beautiful large decoration. The silver chains will reflect light and shimmer with all colors. It looks beautiful and captivates everyone who sees it. And it's so easy to prepare.
A simple trick to create a festive fireplace. Kids love it, and it will neatly complement your living room when made this way. Prepare 5 cardboard boxes. 2 boxes should be of the same size, serving as the sides of the fireplace. Use a flat cardboard as the base. Place 2 identical boxes on it. Insert a small box between them to serve as the firebox. Place another flat cardboard on top. This will be the fireplace mantle. Securely glue the cardboard pieces together using adhesive tape. All parts should be connected. Cover the fireplace with wallpaper. Cut each side from the wallpaper. I bought mine at a hardware store, opting for a self-adhesive white brick imitation on paper. Attach the first side of the fireplace. Smooth the veneer with your hand. Then, attach it to the front of the firebox, the base, and the sides. The wallpaper with a 3-dimensional texture will effectively hide unevenness and mistakes. Use marble-patterned foil to cover the top part of the fireplace. Measure a piece of the appropriate size and stick it on. Trim the corners with scissors so that they can be folded flat. Then attach a longitudinal piece to the front of the base. Line the firebox with black paper. Prepare a piece of cardboard with black construction paper and place it behind the Christmas tree. This will create the impression that the fireplace has a firebox and chimney. Take several sticks and tie them together with a rubber band or string to create a stack. Place it inside the fireplace. Next, prepare battery-powered LED candles. I chose 2 yellow ones and 1 red. Place them under the stack on the firebox. Finally, decorate the fireplace with Christmas ornaments. Hang a stocking for presents. This kind of fireplace looks beautiful, and kids love playing around it. It brings a festive atmosphere to your home at a minimal cost. What do you think? Would you place such a fireplace in your living room for Christmas? For less than $10, you can make a 1-meter Christmas tree. You only need a plastic office basket. Mine has a capacity of about 10 liters. Mine cost $5. It's important that it expands upwards. Also, prepare 6 wooden sticks. Each of them costs $1 and can be bought at a construction supermarket. They should be about 100 centimeters long. Turn the basket upside down. Attach the sticks to it using hot glue, making sure they are evenly spaced. If the basket has a rim, you can insert the ends of the sticks into it. When you glue them all, they should converge upwards to create a teepee shape. Connect them at the very top with hot glue. Prepare 3 Christmas chains. Dense and thick ones work best. I chose silver ones. I already had them at home from previous years. Starting from the base of the tree, begin to wrap them around, gluing them with hot glue to prevent them from sliding on the sticks. Wrap carefully, adding more chains. It's important not to leave any gaps. When the sticks are fully wrapped, a tree will be formed, but it's not the end. Attach a star ornament to the top. Take several Christmas baubles in different sizes. Attach them to the tree using hot glue at irregular intervals and heights. And there you have it. Making such a tree is childishly simple. Additionally, it costs next to nothing. It's almost 1 meter tall and beautifully decorates the house. The chains reflect the light beautifully.